Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to make an image a link. So I will create image by using the image tag, and for the address I will use this image, so you can copy address, paste in here, and the next paste the image name. For description I will set into cat, and we can set for width element. I will set into 100. Now you can click file, save. Now open in browser. So we have this image. Now if you click this image, it will be moved to another link. So we can set for the anchor tag. Okay, as example, we'll create anchor in the bottom here. Now for links, like our example, I will move to Google. You can https google.com. Okay, the next you can insert this image into the anchor tag. Click file, save, and you can refresh. Now if you click, this image will be moved to google.com. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to make an image a link.